In the middle of the desert, where no life should exist, a field of cucumbers stretches under the sun. Green vines, full leaves, and ripe cucumbers, waving in the wind. Nothing here should grow, and yet it does. The sand glows orange. The wind blows dry, but the cucumbers thrive. This is the result that shocked the world. We start at day 1. The desert is empty. Endless sand. Rocks and dust as far as the eye can see. Nothing has grown here for over 1,000 years. No grass, no shrubs, no trees, only silence. The sun is harsh. The wind carries heat that burns the skin. The soil is hard, dry, and infertile. To most, it is impossible to grow anything here. The first step is to prepare the land. Workers dig long, shallow trenches into the sand. Into these trenches, they pour a special mixture, black soil rich with nutrients. It's designed to hold water in this arid land. Next, a network of black drip irrigation pipes is carefully placed, thin tubes that will deliver water drop by drop directly to the roots. Every trench is checked, every pipe tested. This is slow, careful work, because in this desert, mistakes can be fatal for plants. Now comes the planting. Tiny seeds, fragile and small, are placed gently into the sand. Some are already small saplings, moved from greenhouses. Each one is placed in the enriched trench. The workers press the soil lightly around each seed, not too hard, not too loose, just enough to give them a start. Each seed is a tiny miracle in this barren land. Days pass. At first, nothing happens. The desert heat continues. The wind continues. But slowly, green shoots appear. The seeds break through the sand. Little stems rise toward the sky. Tiny leaves unfold. Each day they grow a little taller, a little stronger. The vines begin to stretch. At first, short and fragile. Then longer, weaving across the sand. Small tendrils reach out, finding space, reaching for sunlight. After weeks, the first flowers bloom. Yellow petals against the orange sand. Fragile, yet alive. Pollinators are brought in. Bees carefully move from flower to flower. Each flower has the potential to turn into a cucumber. The vines thicken. Leaves grow large. The black soil holds the moisture. The drip irrigation keeps water flowing just enough. Not too much, not too little. Balance is everything. Soon, small cucumbers appear. Green, fresh, and tender. They hang from the vines, almost impossibly, in the harsh desert sun. They grow day by day, slowly at first, then faster. Each one is a proof of patience and careful planning. The desert, once lifeless, now has rows of green. The contrast is stunning. Orange sand, blue sky, green cucumbers. Months pass. The cucumbers are ready to pick. Hands carefully pluck the fruits. Each one is firm, perfectly shaped, full of life. The workers smile. The impossible has become reality, from nothing to a thriving crop. The cucumbers are packed, shipped to markets. People around the world see the photos. They are amazed. What was barren for 1,000 years is now fertile. What seemed impossible is now proof. In the heart of the desert, life can return. One seed, one trench, one drop of water at a time. Every vine tells a story, every leaf a reminder. Nature can heal, science can help, and even the harshest places hold unexpected potential. If the story inspired you, imagine what else is possible. Subscribe to see more miracles of nature and innovation. Like this video to support desert farming efforts. Share it with someone who loves impossible stories. And remember, even the smallest seed can change a world.